Hi guys, welcome to Machine Learning series. In this video, we are going to talk about what is meant by variance and what is meant by standard deviation and how we can implement these things using Python. Let's start with the variance. Variance is used to measure how far each individual element is away from their mean. So here it is used to measure how is the spread of your data. So as you can see in the formula, variance is simply the average of the square difference from their mean. Before discussing variance for the population and sample, let's try to understand what is meant by population and sample. So the population is whole data, whereas sample is part of the data we are drawing from the population. To calculate the variance for the population, we are dividing the deviation by the n, whereas to calculate the variance for the sample, we are dividing the deviation by the n minus 1. Let's try to implement these things using Python. Let's take an example of the dataset with 6 elements. Let's find out the mean first. We'll calculate the mean by summing up all the elements divided by the total number of elements in the dataset. So we'll get mean as 3.66. Let's use this mean to calculate the deviation. We'll calculate the deviation by subtracting each element with their mean and squaring the difference. So we'll get the deviation as 19.33. And let's use this deviation to calculate the variance. We are calculating the variance by dividing the deviation with the total number of elements in the dataset. So we'll get variance as 3.22. Let's add this logic inside the function to calculate the variance. In the first step, we are taking the length of the dataset, and in the second step, we are calculating the mean of the dataset, and in the third step, we are calculating the deviation of the dataset, and in the fourth step, we are calculating the variance of the dataset. Let's pass this dataset to calculate the variance. And also let's pass this dataset to calculate the variance. Here if you observe, the variance in the second dataset is small. Why? Because here the elements are not too far away from their mean, whereas here it will be too far away from their mean. Let's use this function to calculate the variance for the sample and population. Let's pass this dataset to the above function. Here we are not passing any extra parameter, so here the calculation will become deviation by the total number of elements, so which is variance for the population. Here we are passing an extra parameter d equal to 1, so the calculation will become deviation by the total number of elements minus 1, so which is the variance for the sample. Let's use statistics library to calculate the variance for the population and sample. Here statistics.pvariance will be used to calculate the variance for the population. So we'll get around 5.7600. And here statistics.variance will be used to calculate the variance for the sample. So we'll get around 6.4. This is how we'll calculate variance using Python. Let's move on to standard deviation. Standard deviation is used to measure the amount of variation in your dataset. We will calculate the standard deviation by square root of the variance. Standard deviation is used to identify the outliers in your dataset. If you take an example of the graph, most of the data lies within 2 standard deviation, and the data that lies out of 2 standard deviation are having less probability. So these are very rare cases that may appear in your data. Like this, you can able to find out the outliers in your dataset. Let's try to implement these things using Python. Here I am using math library to find out the square root of the variance. Why? Because square root of the variance is standard deviation. I am passing this data set to the standard deviation function to calculate the standard deviation, which is 2.4. We can also use statistics library to calculate the standard deviation for the population and sample. We can use this function to calculate the standard deviation for the population. We can use this function to calculate the standard deviation for the sample. This is how we can implement standard deviation using Python. This is all about variance and standard deviation. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.